Hello friends, what I have here today is this little infrared sensor. So it's from Robot. It is the MLX90614. It's I2C. Okay. So what it does is it reports infrared measurement like so, but also the temperature on the board, which is very useful. So what I've got it connected to is I2C lines. So I'll go into my Arduino Uno over here, and it reports the temperature over serial to the sketch or whatever other interface you might have connected to it. So that's the sensor. Now it's wired up. Pretty simple stuff. And the next I'll show you what it looks like on the PC software, and then we'll wrap this one up. It's a quick one. See you at the PC. Alrighty, so here we have the sketch. So the device is the MLX90614. So you got to include that library over there. So over here in your library, you need to add it over there, 90614, like that. And there's various libraries available. I'm using the Robot one over here like that. Alright. You wire up your power on your I2C lines. The setup, we're going to need serial comms because we want to receive this data in from the Arduino. Then over here it checks that it's getting answers from the sensor after initializing it over there, and then if it's happy that it's getting answers, it reports begin OK. So if I reboot my Arduino, there you can see it's saying begin OK. And briefly at the bottom, here's our loop, very short. We have declared float ambient temp, get sensor ambient temp. So the data coming in from the sensor is going to be reported as the object temp. What we're then going to do, print some text. So there's your text appearing over there, and then we are going to print the value. So we're going to take you got two values coming in. You got the ambient temp, which is a board temp, and the IR temp, which is object temp. We're going to print them as degree C values. Then after that we're going to print them as Fahrenheit values by multiplying by 1.8 and adding 32. That converts it to Fahrenheit. We then wait half a second and the loop repeats. And down the bottom there you can see it happening. We have degree C, ambient, and object 18.5. So if I put my hand in front of the IR sensor, we can see the oil temp going up like that. Very neat. And I think that's going to wrap it up for this video. It's a simple little sensor and a useful little sensor. One to add to the inventory for measurements and control and that sort of stuff. The rest, ladies and gentlemen, have an awesome day further. Thanks for being here. And I'll see you back here next time for more. Cheers.